They look good. Aber das geht nicht. So. Wow, that's for long.
This is the only side to go down. Look at that.
This is the mother of the This is why he's on it.
If she wanted to, she could chase the mother away. She's big enough. But it's whether she wants to actually make contact or not.
Is she away from the mother now?
Yeah, I mean, she's been independent for 2 years already.
Men det ser så sant. Ja,
Looks like she may have eaten some of it. Yeah, she's calling him.
Wow.
That is a very baby-like noise. Unless there's another leopard as well. Could be.
Because you don't
I
know.
mean, today everything is possible.
Guys, I got a fair amount on Parallel and Glela between Parallel and Newington, just north of Pariskaya on our side.
Females. The males think they're in charge, so they fight about it. But the females know they're in charge, so they don't need to fight. It's the older females that lead the group. The dominant males get to walk near the older females, but they're not. Pulling the ticks off his ears.
Deswegen ist die wirklich lustiges Völkchen.
You are here.
I can copy now, just running out of this on this channel. Thank you. I'm not going to be approaching now.
Go with it.
Jay, go cap.
Just having a quick drink by the looks of it. Doesn't look like they're going to stay long. Wonderful. Got to see a lot more. Don't call her like that, please.
What does she do?
If she gets on the car, she'll eat you.
Oi, keep off.
She's seen the hyena over there now.
Where's the hyena?
Sneezing.
Really?
You can have a look now.
Oh God, look at that mount here.
It's beautiful.
They really are.
I think the rest of them will come back into our area tonight, tomorrow morning.
When I actually left, he was still just alive. He died about 20 minutes after I left.
So we don't get many giraffes?
2 to 3 times the size of the females.
That is the most magnificent animal I've ever seen. Honestly.
Thinking about calling now. Yeah, as it's late on. Beautiful pink eyelids. See when it blinks.
I can see them with binoculars. With the binoculars, you won't.
Did you get called in there?
These animals are something else.
Sure.
So they were in there right now.
And they're all the same age, these males then?
Yes, they're all about 11 years old.
Oh my god,
11.
that is
Yeah.
magnificent.
So they're at the end of their tenure. What's this? They just touch his brother, nuzzle against him,
go exit please?
God,
and then sit down.
Last station, go again, so restart it back up.
So when you test them for the diseases, it'll show up in their bloodstream, but it doesn't
But it's
really
a low
affect
level
them.
of...
Yeah.
I haven't seen this in years.
So I'm not sure how many members of the pack or how many members in the pack at the moment. We haven't seen them for a couple of months.
for protection.
Yes.
Where are the dogs?
Over there, that side, in the grass here. There we go. Running in. Brilliant stuff.
There were 5. I tied them last night. There were 5.
That is a fantastic...
Oh, this is fascinating to see.
Where's him?
A couple more hyenas coming to the water now.
Moving the